Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's be real. Many of us are struggling with managing our budgets. That's why a lot of people turn to budget planners to stay on track. If you look on Etsy, you'll see that budget planner is not only in demand for personal use, but they're also a hot selling product. In fact, some people are actually earning extra income by selling their own budget planner in Etsy. So whether you're making your own personal finances or planning to sell your own design online, you'll know exactly where to start. So let's dive in and let's begin editing your budget planner in Canva. Now let's start creating our budget planner in Canva. First, click a design and choose A4 size since it's the most common and printable format. Once the blank page opens, add a text box at the center and type in the title, Budget Planner. Make sure the font is clear, bold, and easy to read. After that, let's add a simple background. Go to Photos section on the left panel and search for a background image that fits the theme. Something clean, minimal, and not too distracting, like a pastel colors, abstract patterns, or a simple texture. Now we have the cover. Let's add the monthly page. Click Add Page and at the very top, insert the text for months of the year, January through December. Add the text label that says Paycheck. Then below it, add smaller text boxes for the date and amount. Organize it neatly. Underneath, let's start with the income section. You can either use the table or simply draw lines. At the bottom of the income section, make space for the totals. Add text for expected, actual, or difference. Once that's done, it's super easy to build the other sections. Simply duplicate the income section and rename it for expenses, debt, savings, sinking funds, bills. Finally, at the bottom of the page, let's add a summary section. This is where all the totals from each category can be written down in one place. If you want this budget planner, just head over to our website. It's plrdoc.com. I'll put the link on the description below. Let's now go to the next page. Next, let's set up the Afterpay tracking page. At the top, add the title Afterpay Tracker. Then below the title, insert a table to organize the details and following headings across the table like store, purchase date, item, total, amount due, and installments. For the installments, add checkboxes below so users can tick off each payment as they go. Once the first table is complete, then simply duplicate the group table 4 times. And that's it. Your Afterpay tracker page is now ready to use. And there you have it. We've just walked through step by step on how to create a budget planner in Canva. Now, if you want to grab this full version of the budget planner, just head over to our website. It's plrdoc.com. I'll make sure to add the link on the description below.